Friends, winter has come, and if you get hot puffed and spicy cabbage parsley in the morning, then the day becomes, but it is often complained that paratha bursts. Today I will tell you that secret way from which you will make every paratha perfect, crisp from outside and spicy from inside. Let's start. Hello friends, I am Gentle Kashwa Kitchen. Welcome you all. How are you all? I expect you to eat the hellish food of the house. Please repeat the sentence. Strictly lowercase without punctuation and text formatting. Naga Sena. Let's wake up today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Just made and also made.